Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to enable variable layer height in Bambu Studio. So first select your model. Just click on it. Look at the top horizontal toolbar and click the variable layer height. It looks like a stack of horizontal blocks with a curve next to it. So this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth in a row, just like that. Click on adaptive button right here. Now Bambu Studio will automatically calculate your model. It will make layers thin on curves and thick on flat vertical walls. Now what you need to do is slice plate at the top right to save changes. Now, okay, so you will ask how we can customize these layers manually. So you can see here on the right side, we have this color bar appears next to this model, and if we slide with mouse over this, you will see that we basically change also. You will see lines how we go uh, like that. Now what we can do is left click and drag. So let's say we want this a little bit more thicker, so left click with your mouse and drag this all the way up like so. And let's say right here we can drag this down a little bit more like so also. And now you can see how we change these things right here. Now, if we right click and drag, makes layer thicker. So now we have made them thinner. Now it will be thicker. So right click and it will be thicker like that. As you can see, shift and right click, it will reset the section back to the standard layer height. So now we have just reset this. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can enable variable layer height in Bambu Studio. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.